Hello guys, as a continuation of our previous video on mobile portable terminal, today I want to show you the Dahua data collection device. This device is normally used to download files and also charge the MPT that are connected. So this data collection device has the micro USB charger that are normally connected to the MPT, and it can connect up to 8 MPT. So apart from that, the connected MPTs can be upgraded, or the firmware of the MPT can be upgraded by this device. It could be manually or automatically. It also has a provision that can be connected to a hard drive. This one can support up to 4 hard drives of 16 TB each. So the downloaded events are going to be saved on the hard drives. And at the back, it has several provisions. We have the HDMI provision, we have the VGA provision. It also has USB 2.0 and also USB 3.0, and it also comes with a provision for connecting LAN. So this device supports searching of events like videos, audio, and also images. So this is the device I was talking about that is normally used to connect to the MPT. So for us to have a complete solution, we need to have the MPT device, and also we need to have the docking station. So as always, I welcome you to experience this solution, and I'm very sure you're going to like it. Thank you for your time, and see you in our next video.